I look like an anime girl with filled braids. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Let's just address the elephant in the room, and that is these horrible braids. Yeah, it's part of the look of today, and my braiding skills suck, like suck. So I didn't feel like doing them over again, and I don't think an hour would make a lot of difference in my bad braiding skills. So just ignore the fact that they're bad and just take in the look as a whole. Because today we're going to be doing another Mamamoo Hwasa inspired look, and that is a new MV, Gogo Bebe. They released a new MV last week, and I saw this look. I mean, this look was like split seconds in between her sitting on the toilet, her dancing in the bathroom, and this look was a mood to me, so I decided to redo it to the best of my abilities, that is. So the braids are bad, I know, don't come for me. In any case, this is the look we're going to be recreating. I will be showing you snippets of me doing the braid, but it doesn't really matter anyway because they're bad, so you could better find like a tutorial on YouTube to help you do that. And then we'll also be doing the makeup. In any case, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, click that bell button, share it with your friends and family, and let's get into it. I am going to use some fake hair to recreate the look. So I have 2 packs of Clinique hair. So how Hwasa's braids are, they go from here to the back, and there's a parting to both sides. So I'm first going to do the parting, and then we're going to attempt to do this because I'm not a great braider at all. And this part is kind of pulled back like this. I'm using my Gorilla Snot gel to lay the hair flat and make it more manageable. Just a big gooey snot right there. So guys, theoretically I know what I should do. Practically it never works out. Like my braid starts all the way back here, but you know what? We don't mind because it's just to recreate this look. I'm winded from trying to do my hair. That's why I always have it done and I never do it myself, because this is what happens. Look at this, what is this? Or as my grandma always said, every mistake is a style, so this is the horn style. Let's say it was inspired by TXT and their song Crown. So I bought 2 of these packs of silver rings, and I'm going to use one to put in my nose. This actually is so big. This is so bad. Guys, I'm failing so bad. Okay, so I'm just going to put these rings in my hair. Let's start with the eyes. But from what I can see, she had orange and bronze on her lids, so we're just going to go with orange and then go with a very pink lip. So that's the plan today. I'm going to be using the palette, the Etude House palette. I am going to do a video in which I swatch it because it's part of my K-beauty haul, but that video will probably be after this video. And I am in love with this palette, guys. It is such a good palette. The colors are amazing. So now that we have our base laid down, I'm going to go into the oranges and the bronzes. So for the orange, I'm going with my Masquerade palette by Juvia, and I'm going with the color Cairo, which is like an orangey color. Wow, it's very orange, a bit too orange. Okay, I'm just gonna dab a little bit on it and then use a fluffy brush to diffuse that color, because I actually don't want it to be that strong. Make sure it's properly diffused because it's a very, very strong color. If you have something that's lighter, then maybe that would be better, but I don't have any other oranges right now, so. Okay, great. That looks quite okay. I'm liking it. And right away we go under the eyes. So I'm going in with the color YDK from the Naked 2 palette. I'm diffusing that line in between the two with the orange by blending it into the bronze. So you do the same thing, other eye, you know the drill. It's time for some eyeliner. Hwasa did have a small wing. And as always, she had like a line under her eye that I also did in my previous Hwasa inspired makeup video. And I think I found a better way to do that line, and that is with a precision brow. A little bit of mascara time. Okay guys, so we're now going to breeze through the foundation application because you guys know the drill. I have my Glow Primer from Primark and my Fenty foundation. That is in place. You like it. So I noticed that Hwasa's face was a little bit contoured and she had a little bit more blush than usual. So we're going to do that. So I noticed that her blush was quite strong this time. Usually I like to use my Bobbi Brown because it's so subtle, but because she has quite strong blush and quite strong lip color, I'm going to use my MAC blush. Madison Strong Fever. A little bit over my nose because I saw that she did that too. I think that's a trend right now, that Japanese anime trend, you know. It's quite strong guys, quite strong. Fuse it just a little bit there. I look like an anime girl with filled braids. Now she does have some highlighter on her cheeks. And now, of course, for the finishing touch for this look, the lips. Now her lips are really, really pink. And I don't have a vibrant pink like that, but I do have a few that I could mix to kind of get a similar effect. So let's try that. So I have here with me my NYX Tokyo, and I have Charlotte Tilbury, the Dangerous Liaison. I don't know how to pronounce that. So I'm going to go with the Dangerous Liaison first and kind of define the lip. Oh, that is actually very bright already. I don't even know if I have to do anything about it. It looks very similar already, but I want it a little bit more pinky. Yes, I'm channeling my inner Hwasa. And I almost forgot she had a nose ring. Now I don't have nose rings, but I did buy an earring that I'm going to use as a nose ring. So this might hurt. I don't know if this was such a good idea. Now for some Espoir fixing spray. To give that extra glow. This smells so good, so good. And I actually forgot to conceal, guys, but honestly I don't think I really need it today because my skin has been improving a lot lately for the sake of the look. So guys, this was the look and how I achieved it. I'm going to take these braids out because there's no way I can show up at work tomorrow with this like this bad. So I'm just going to like braid my hair down and put a wig on tomorrow, something easy, and I'm off to bed after that, I guess. So thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.